Did lockdowns during COVID prevent severe effects from COVID-19? Did it help in the arc of the pandemic? Economists from Johns Hopkins say no, not really.
Yeah, Fox 10's Matt Galka live tonight with reaction to this latest report. Matt?
Well, the report claims that lockdowns helped very minimally when it came to saving lives during the onset of the pandemic. But some people in the public health sector are skeptical. A report from economists, including one from Johns Hopkins, concluded that lockdowns at the onset of the pandemic reduced COVID-19 mortality by only 0.2%. The report warned against using lockdowns as a pandemic measure in the future because of the low effectiveness on mortality and the consequences for the economy.
I'm not refuting what they're saying, that interventions during the pandemic didn't work. I'm just saying I need a lot more.
Former Arizona Health Services Director and prominent public health voice Will Humble is skeptical about the report's findings. The report has not been peer-reviewed and used a set of only 24 studies.
If you remember, in the summer of 2020, in June, we were on an exponential upswing in cases, and we got to the point in late June where the governor and former director Chris decided to pause the operation of bars, restaurants, and nightclubs for about 5 weeks. And that dropped the number of COVID-19 cases by 80%. The studies that are most likely to show results were the very studies that this team excluded from their analysis.
In some cases, the report's authors found that lockdowns may have increased mortality by isolating people in close quarters.
Back in 2020, that showed that 70% of the spread occurred within households. Only 1% occurred on subways or transportation. So we were saying, wait a minute, we're keeping people home. They're not using the subway. They're not going to work. Guess what they're doing? Spreading COVID-19.
Now, the report did find that closing non-essential businesses did have a positive impact by reducing the mortality rate by around 10%. The report concludes this is likely due to closing bars. We're live tonight. Matt Galka, Fox 10 News.
Thank you, Matt.